Hello. This is a piece of a heavy leaf spring I found on the road. Not sure what kind of steel it is, but it seems most leaf springs are 5160. I want to thank a dynamic duo for each of their very generous donations. They are Yohanan Gray and Richard Petrensik. Very much appreciated. Thanks, fellas. This steel was very hard to cut. So I just want to tap on it a little just to get the feel for how it works under a hammer. Hammering just a bit on it, it actually doesn't feel that very hard. Making a traditional Hardy hot cutter can be very tough to do by hand, since it involves using large tool steel and drawing a shank from that, or using somewhat smaller steel and upsetting wide shoulders. This is a good alternative in my opinion. Sorry for my gloved hand blocking the view. I'll show this from different angles. I think you can see that I'm trying to sink in enough material to form a Hardy shank. This doesn't really go according to plan though. I'm trying this overhead view in some clips. Not sure if this is good or not. I probably should have abandoned this and gone with another simpler technique, but I'll make a course correction later on in this video. As is, this is definitely not going to work. So I do what I should have done right from the start. That is, fold the piece onto itself, leaving enough material for a decent length in the hardy hole. I guess most folks would have abandoned this and just started from scratch, but I'm just way too stubborn, especially since I've got some time in on the piece filming, so I just figure I'll keep going on it and make it work. I'm not sure if this view makes it easy to see or if it maybe makes you dizzy. Maybe let me know in the comments. Slightly spreading here will create just a little bit more tension. This should definitely stay put now. I wanted to make this tool just for cutting small diameter rods. I didn't heat treat this at all, feeling there's no need. And the edge of this is staying very sharp. This steel is very suitable for this use. I still haven't found that piece. To recap, don't do what I did at the beginning. Instead, first make about a 2-inch fold in your spring steel, insert that over your hardy, and tap it in by hammering the ends and by not trying to sink in the middle. Then make two 90-degree bends on the long end. I'll do this again. Catch you guys next time.